Hi guys, today I'm going to start a new course. The new course is Python. So in this course you will learn Python from zero to hero level to job level you can do. So let's start off this video by installing it. Tell me the introduction of Python. Python was invented in the year 1991 in Netherlands by Guido van Rossum. This name is taken from a BBC show about a python snake, you can tell, was there. From there the name was taken, this language, programming language. So this is a very easy language and its language translator is the interpreter. Okay guys, so let's start off with the Python installation. Go to www.python.org, then click on downloads and then click on Python 3.11.4. As it is installed, click on open file. Then always remember to check this box, add python.exe to path. Then if you are a regular guy and want to install the C drive, click on this. I am clicking on this customize installation as I want to have some customization. Swift editor and the lightweight editor, and this is legit Microsoft, so you can trust on this product of Microsoft. Many users will tell that I am using code blocks in my college life, but we are using Visual Studio Code and also the Insiders version. You can get the latest release each day. And also remember, this is not a sponsored video of Microsoft or any Visual Studio Code Insiders products. So click on download for Windows. You can also follow them on this here. I'm following them. I will keep this also. I'm also following GitHub, Microsoft Developer Types. So, I'm showing you guys. And also don't please forget to follow my GitHub account here. 00322 Okay. Just reply. Nice. Okay. I guess it's installed. No, this one is installing. This installer is installed. I was accepting. I should. Okay. Check all these options. These are very important. My computer was hanged for a moment. Okay, the Python's installed. So I'm just introducing it. So to verify Python is installed, press Window key plus R and write your shell. I can write either CMD to open command prompt or PowerShell. Writing PowerShell. So now let's verify it. Write Python or py. So yes guys, finally it is installed. To exit it, press Ctrl Z and click on enter. I'm closing this. Now let's verify it is installed in VS Code Insiders or not. Click on this. So as it is installed, click on the Visual Studio Code Insiders application. It will open. Click on this button, the Explorer button. Then click on the Create New File or New File button. Always remember that Python files extension is .py. So write .py and then see the Python logo came and introduction of Python. Okay. Hello world. Before that, click on the extensions button and install the Python extension, as it will show you suggestions and also to run it and manage it easily. So I'm in the pre-release version. You can also remain in the release version. So click on this install button. It is already installed, so it is showing the uninstall button. Okay. So to run it, click on the terminal button here. Then click on this code here, and after the terminal loads, press F5. See, a new shell will open here. Code. Deleting the extra one. See, the hello world is printed. So that's it for this video.